Here we are at EICMA, and this is the updated V-Strom. This is the 1050 XT from Suzuki. Very cool looking. I really like this one in this 90s style, 80s or 90s yellow with blue and grey. It's essentially the same V-twin 1037cc motor as the last generation, but a bit more power at 107 PS and 100 Newton meters of peak torque. This is the standard V-Strom 1050, the new bike. But I'm kind of more interested in this XT with a bit more of an off-road spec. Spoked wheels with gold rims, whereas you've got cast wheels on the regular 1050. You can see that the spokes aren't laced through the rim either, so those are tubeless tires. Overall, the chassis and the components, so the equipment like the brakes, these are Tokico radial brakes, and the forks as well, are pretty similar to the last generation. But this XT model gets a new 6-way 3-axis Bosch IMU, and that gives it all sorts of fun, like hill hold control, slope deceleration control like you would get in a Range Rover, cornering brake control, and a load dependent brake force control. So when it's laden up with a lot of weight, it'll probably give you a bit more braking. As you can see there, you've got cruise control as well, but both bikes get traction control and 3 riding modes. You can see here on the standard bike that the suspension is adjustable, so both models get that, as well as the TFT dash and this screen that's adjustable, no tools needed. This split seat as well means that the rider seat can go up or down 10 millimeters, or there's 20 mil of adjustment. But the big selling point of this bike has to be the styling. It's taken a lot of inspiration from the retro, well, the older adventure bikes in Suzuki's range, like the DR Big or the DRZ, or DRZ if you will. So a square headlight LED, a short beaky front mudguard there, as well as a regular mudguard, but that's just the styling thing. And then this retro paint scheme as well. I absolutely love this, with those gold rims as well. I think it looks great, and the black luggage. What do you guys reckon? I mean, it obviously looks better than that. There's no debating it. But yeah, is it your cup of tea or not? Let me know in the comments.